Don't have your accurate time of birth? Don't worry, I still have a reading for you. Haven't you noticed how the horoscope in the newspaper or favorite astrological site gives an accurate reading on you without your time of birth? It is because they channel the transits, according to your sun sign being your first house. This is how God talks to your soul, which represents your vitality, how you self-identify, and your perception. I too am offering this reading to you from Benjamin Sixth, the astrologer from YouTube with over 10,000 subscribers and countless astrology readings done for clients. But this will be no run-of-the-mill quick glance into the current day. This reading will give you in-depth and expansive clarity and guidance relative to how you are expected to process your thoughts, to align them with your emotional intelligence, expose where your energy is expended, where money is awaiting you should you engage, where you are to discipline your personal desires for the transitioning of your authoritative power, where your network of optimistic visionaries are waiting to expand your vision, where your generation is on the horizon of the latest technology, what your spirit and spiritual guide is nudging at your intuition for, and where your personal power to properly prepare to prevent poor performance is being executed. All of this in one reading at the lowest cost you can fathom. What are you waiting for? Invest in yourself. Remember, millionaires don't study astrology, billionaires do.